Morning.
Morning. Can you hear me clearly?
Yes, sir.
Your voice is low. Oh, sorry. My volume is low. Can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Due to election movements, frequently wires, cable wires, and Wi-Fi wires are cut up.
Yes.
That's why Wi-Fi is not available yesterday till 2 p.m.
Yes.
Right. See, yeah, now we are studying an important concept that is called parabola.
Yes.
Frequently, questions from parabola are seen in SAT questions. Every SAT exam has parabola question or questions.
Yes.
Yeah, and also it is very important concept for math career also.
Yes.
Okay. See, almost all geometrical concepts are based on locus.
Yes, sir.
Locus is synonym of path. For example, it is a fixed point.
Yes, sir.
Now, there is a point. This point is moving such that the distance from the fixed point remains same. This point is moving such that the distance of this point from this fixed point remains constant.
Yes.
For example, this distance is r units.
Yes.
Point moves such that the distance is always r.
Yes.
That means now also the distance is r. So this point is moving, maintaining same distance.
Yes, sir.
Same distance from a fixed point.
Yes.
The moment the path or the locus of this point is called circle.
Yes.
We can define the circle as the locus of a point, having having a fixed distance. Having same distance from a fixed point.
Yes.
Circle can be defined as the locus of a point having same distance from a fixed point. That is called
Yes.
circle. We did so many problems in circles.
Yes, sir.
So if we're asked to define a circle, simply we can answer this question. We can define circle like this.
Yes.
The locus of a point. The locus of a point having same distance.
Yes.
from a fixed point. That same distance is called
Radius.
radius. And that fixed point is called center,
Center.
which is the definition of a circle.
Yes.
Now it comes to the definition of a parabola. Parabola also
Yes.
maintaining same distance, but it is a point.
Yes.
Let this point be S. This is a straight line. In the previous concept, there was a fixed point only one fixed point. But here, a fixed point and a fixed line. A fixed point and a fixed line. See, it is a point. This point has the same distance from this fixed point and fixed line. See, this distance and this distance, both distances are same. For example, let this point be P. This is P,
Yes.
this is PM. PM is equal to PS. P is at equidistance. P is at equidistance from this line. Let this line be L. P is at equidistant from the line L and a fixed point and from a fixed point S. So
Yes.
the distance of P from L as well as from S is same. In geometry, this type of indication representation is used to denote these two distances are same, equal. PM is equal to PS to indicate that, to tell that, to just write one line here, right?
Yes. Yes.
Now, now this point, the point P is moving. The point P is moving, maintaining same distance, maintaining the same condition. That condition is same distance from fixed point and fixed line. Now this
Yes.
point is here. This point is here. Yes, it is called parabola.
Yes.
Every point on the parabola have same distance from a fixed point and a fixed line. So parabola can be defined like this. The locus of a point having same distance from a fixed point
Yes.
and from a fixed line. That's it. It's called parabola.
Yes.
It's called parabola.
Parabola. Sir, you're in mute, sir. You're in mute, sir. You are in mute, sir. You mute yourself. Yeah.
I don't know why it happened. I didn't move the cursor there.
Yeah, it must have misclicked.
Okay, okay. Directrix.
Yes, sir.
Which brand is recommendable laptop? I went to and asked them for i5. Then they asked me i5 which generation, seventh generation or sixth generation, something like that. I don't know about the generations. Okay, I'll come again. I told them come again.
Windows 10.
Which,
Uh,
which,
I don't know, sir. I'll ask my father and I'll let you know, sir, what generation is good for you.
main purpose is online class only.
Yes, sir.
Because process must be same. No, so, no, sorry.
Yes.
Process must be speed process. It is recommendable. Otherwise, my voice breaks while teaching an online class. Actually,
Yes, sir.
this system I'm teaching through system desktop computer. It was bought nearly 2000, 2007 or 2008. 2008, yeah, nearly 2008. That means 15 years back.
Yes, sir.
15 years
I'll
old.
ask.
Right. See, the fixed line is called directrix and the fixed point is called focus.
Yes, sir.
Right. See, let us have an experiment on this concept. Let us take coordinate system. It is x-axis. This is y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Take a point on x-axis having a distance a units from here. This is a
Yes. Yes, sir.
and the line should be also same distance from O.
Yes, sir.
This is the line. You know, on vertical line, x coordinates are same. We discussed many times. On any vertical line, x coordinates are same.
Yes.
Good morning, Satyababu. So, can you tell what is the equation of this line?
Y equals.
No. X is equal. See.
Oh, yes, sir. X equals A. Sorry.
X equal to. Since it is O, it should be x is equal to minus A. It
yes.
is the left side of the origin.
Yes, sir.
0, -1, -2, -3, so on. So it is left side of the origin on x.
Oh, x equals -3. Yes, sir. Got it.
Equal to minus A.
Yes, sir.
Or x plus A is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Equation of this line, that is equation of directrix is x plus A is equal to 0. It is directrix.
Yes.
Directrix equation x plus A is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Now this is parabola. All the points on it are same distance. Sorry. This parabola is drawn or constructed. Yeah. This point is same distance from S. Can you tell the coordinates of S? The distance is A.
X equals A. Sorry, X equals S.
No, I'm not drawing a line. I am marking a point. See, 1, 2, 3. Then coordinates of this point are 3, 0.
Comma 0. S comma 0.
A, 0. Since the distance is A,
Yes.
so this distance is A units. That's why coordinates of S are A, 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Now this point, for example, take point O. Point O is same distance from S and same distance from L. This point O has the distance from S and distance from L.
Yes.
Satya, what do you think about your equation? See, now మా కాలేజీకి ఎందుకు రావట్లేదు సత్య? గ్రాండ్ టెస్ట్ జరుగుతున్నాయి కదా, కాలేజీకి రావాలి కదమ్మా. మా ఈరోజు కాలేజీ కట్టినావమ్మా. See, now these are the points of combination, set of all points. Any point on this curve, any point on this on this curve having same distance from S as well as from L.
Yes.
For example, if you take this point P, the distance of P from S and the distance of P from L also same. That means PM. This is PM. Distance,
Yes, sir.
distance from a point to L is nothing but perpendicular distance. Distance from a point to a line is perpendicular distance, right? See,
Yes.
now let the coordinates of P be x comma y. Coordinates of P are x comma y.
Yes, sir.
ఇప్పుడు ఏం జరుగుతుందంటే, ఓకే ఓకే, నౌ సి, ఇఫ్ యు టేక్ ఏ గ్రాఫ్, what are the coordinates of this point?
3,3, sir.
3, right? That means this distance is 3 units and this distance is also 3 units, right?
Yes.
3 units. Likewise, coordinates of this point are x comma y. Coordinates of the point are x comma y.
Yes.
That means if you see, if you drop a perpendicular, this distance is 3 units. Okay. If you drop a perpendicular from here, that is Pn. Can you tell what is ON? ON, the distance of O and N. X only.
And yes, sir.
Coordinates of P are x comma y. So ON is x. Coordinates of this point are 3, 3. That means this distance is 3 units.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, let the coordinates of P be x comma y. Then perpendicular, that means put a perpendicular N from P on x-axis. ON is just x only.
X. Yes, sir.
Can you tell? Now we are establishing a distance from N to Z. That means Zn. As we know, distance from Z to O is A units.
Yes, sir.
The distance from Z to O is A units. The distance from O to N is X units.
Yes, sir. X plus A.
Very good. This is X plus A. Since this is same as X plus A, so PM is equal to X plus A.
Yes, sir.
PM is equal to X plus A. What is PM? That means the distance from P to M, X plus A. Because this distance is A units and this distance is X units. Because P are X comma Y, right? Now, that is PM. Okay, right? Now, let us use a distance formula. Let us use distance formula to find, establish equation of standard equation of parabola. Now we are establishing the standard equation of parabola, right? What's the main concept of parabola? Having same distance from a fixed point and from a fixed line. Now we have calculated, now we have established the distance of P from the fixed line. What is the distance of P from fixed line? The distance of P from fixed line is the distance of X plus A.
Fixed line is X plus A.
Yeah. Now this is SP. SP is equal to PM. According to the definition of parabola, locus of P is the distance of P from S as well as from L is same. That means SP is equal to PM, right?
Yes.
Now continue. SP means the distance from S to P. We know distance formula. Distance formula is the square root
of X minus
A whole square, X2 minus X1 whole square. You know?
X2 minus X1 whole square plus Y2 minus Y1 whole square.
Very good. That means X2 minus X1 whole square means X minus A whole square.
Yes.
Plus
Y minus whole
y
square.
minus 0.
Oh, yes, sir.
Y minus 0 whole square. As we just calculated the distance of PM, distance from P to M is x plus A.
Plus A.
To indicate distance, use mod always,
Yes, sir.
because it may be positive or it may be negative. When we put mod,
Yes,
it always positive, right?
yes, sir.
Now, squaring on both sides. While squaring on both sides, expand. X minus A whole square. Use A minus B whole square formula.
X square minus 2xa,
2x. Very good.
2x plus A square plus Y square.
Now, expand mod of x plus A whole square also. We are squaring on both sides.
X square plus 2ax plus A square.
2ax plus A square.
2x plus A square. Cancel.
What happens now? X square
X
cancels.
cancels. A square cancels.
X square cancels. A square cancels. Right? Now,
Yes.
keep y square in left side. Keep y square in left side only.
Y square equals 4ax.
Very good. It is 2x, it is 2x, 4x.
So is it the formula for locus? Sorry, focus?
Standard formula for parabola. It is a
Okay.
well-known formula. Do you remember this?
Yes. Yes, sir. I remember those classes.
Yes. This is the derivation, the formation of this formula. Now explain the formation, how this formula comes.
Yes, sir.
Formula is y square is equal to 4x. Using the
Yes.
basic definition, from the definition of parabola, we derived this formula, that is y square is equal to 4x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let us label it. It is called focus. This point is called vertex. Vertex. This is called directrix. We know. See, labeling is very important. See, this is vertex.
Yes.
Generally, origin is origin, but in this context, it is vertex. Vertex is denoted by capital A. It is vertex A. Vertex A. And this is focus. Focus, yes. Now it is directrix. This is the line directrix. This is called the line directrix. Directrix L. These are the basic points. Focus, vertex, directrix, right? Equation
Yes.
of this line is y square is equal to 4ax. Equation of this line is y square is equal to 4ax. Main elements of parabola are focus S, directrix L, next vertex A. Now there are some other elements. Those elements are I am drawing separately. This is parabola. Tell this name. What is this?
Directric? No.
Point.
Locus. Locus.
Focus.
Cen-
Focus. Locus.
Focus. Okay. Locus.
Focus is path. This is focus.
Yes.
It is focus, yes. And in the previous example, in the previous diagram, this is also important.
The left side is the directrix.
That line, the horizontal line is x-axis. Here x-axis is called axis. Axis of parabola. With respect to the
Yeah.
parabola, it is called axis.
Yes.
With respect to the coordinate system, it is x-axis. With
Yes.
respect to the coordinate system, it is x-axis. Here it is axis. Got it?
Yes.
Now, now the new terms that are, it is vertex. Focus, yes. It is vertex.
That is
Now,
direct.
if we join vertex A, if we join any 2 points on the parabola, joining of any 2 points, joining of
Yes.
any 2 points on circle is called
A chord.
chord. Very good. Here also it is called chord. And in circles, if a chord passes through center,
Diameter.
it is called diameter. In the same way, if a chord passes through the focus, like diameter, if it passes through the focus, it is called focal chord.
Focal point.
Yeah,
Yes.
name itself says its meaning. The name focal chord. It is focal chord.
Yes, sir.
It is called focal chord because it passes through the focus. So name of this line is called focal chord. Focal chord. Now distance of any point from focus is called focal distance. This distance is called focal distance. This is the focal distance of this point.
Yes.
This is focal distance. Focal distance of a point means the distance of that point from focus is called focal distance.
Yes.
It is focal distance.
Yes.
Now, it is axis, it is axis.
Yes.
If we draw a chord, perpendicular to axis, chord perpendicular to axis, this has a special name. Don't think about its meaning. Double ordinate.
Yes.
Double ordinate. Double ordinate is a chord. Double ordinate is a chord perpendicular to axis.
Yes.
Or double ordinate needs not be passes through focus.
Yes.
Double ordinate needs not be passes through focus. But if a double ordinate passes through focus, if a double ordinate passes through focus, that means like this. This line has 2 properties. Those 2 properties of this line. Can you tell the 2 properties of this line? This line has double ordinate property. That means perpendicular to axis.
Yes, sir.
And focal chord property. Focal chord property is passing through focus.
Yes, sir.
This red line has double ordinate property and focal chord property. Focal chord property is passing through focus. Double ordinate property is perpendicular to axis. This red line has two properties, both properties. Those two properties are perpendicular to axis and
And passing through the focus.
that is property of focal chord.
Yes.
That's why this is called a latus rectum.
Yes.
It is called latus rectum.
Yes.
Now I am telling its values. Length of latus rectum is always 4a. You know, this is a units. The distance
Yes, sir.
from focus to vertex is small a units, but length of latus rectum is 4a. And the focal distance has a formula that is mod of x plus a.
Yes, sir.
Focal distance of a point is mod of x plus a. Length
Yes.
of latus rectum is 4a. Got it?
Yes.
Take a screenshot and try to draw a chart.
So directrix to focus is 2a, no, sir? Is it? No?
Directrix to focus.
Two
Yes, yes, yes.
is 2a.
That's good. That's good. Perpendicular distance from focus to directrix is 2a. That means a plus a 2a. It's a very important concept. For example, if you want to find the lattice, for example, if length of lattice rectum is asked, and if it is possible to us to find the distance from focus to directrix, then double of the distance from focus to directrix is nothing but latus rectum. Latus rectum is the double of the distance from focus to directrix, right? Since it is 2a double 4a, right? Now, let's have a look at questions. Yeah, this might have done, but let's do it again. Just read this question once.
If a parabolic reflector is 20 centimeter in diameter and 5 centimeter deep, then the distance from vertex to focus is?
Yeah. You know, dish. Do dishes exist there even now? Or alternatives?
No, sir. They don't exist at this. But I know what you're saying, sir. I've had one in India.
TV dish.
Yes. Yeah.
I think nowadays in that area, dishes do not exist.
Yes.
They were replaced by some other device, right? But
Yes.
here dishes are the dishes exist for
Yes.
for cable also.
Yes.
Etel, something like this.
Yeah.
Called parabolic reflector. That's example
Yes.
of reflector. Even in scientific labs, NASA, something there, I think.
Yes, sir. They have like the thing rotating. Yeah.
Seeing signals from space. Right. Recently, a news came. Yeah, I saw a news in local channel that is a message was received by the Earth, the people on the Earth, that means scientists from space. They are working on decoding that message.
Oh.
It might be from some other living thing or something like that. From space, there is Arcibo. Have you ever heard of Arcibo laboratory in America, California?
No, sir.
It's a very famous laboratory that is called Arcibo. Arcibo started 40 years back. Arcibo laboratory sent a message to the universe. That means to a star, saying we are humans, we are living here, particular details, and if any living thing is there, please respond. Let's be friends. That message was sent from Arcibo laboratory, America. And surprisingly, it took 25,000 years to reach its destiny.
Oh.
Yeah, if any living thing is there and receives the signal and understands that signal, if they replies back, it will take another 25,000 years to reach Earth. So totally humankind. That means scientists decided to wait for 50,000 years. That is half lakh years
Yes.
to receive a signal from outer space. That means living thing. So man decided to wait for 50,000 years to receive any message from other aliens, simply aliens. But flip side of this experiment is thus that this laboratory was destroyed in a storm few years back. Even though the desire of mankind is not dead, still they are planning to establish another laboratory. So there is no scope from this to receive a signal. That Arecibo, you can Google it. Arecibo is in America. Okay, I see in net that Arecibo also there are reflectors like this. Do you know how much time it takes uh, to reach a letter through post from other countries?
I don't know, sir. So many
Have you
days.
sent any courier or letter from India?
Sir, courier, I think it'll take a week, sir.
Week, right, okay.
Yeah, but for letter, I don't think so. It's gonna be
Post by
um,
post.
yeah, by post also, I think it'll take a week or something. I don't know, sir.
I need to send application to Germany.
I think it'll take a week or so.
We need to search for the courier, international courier system, courier companies, right?
Yes, sir.
What? This is a reflector, parabolic reflector. This is parabolic reflector. It seeks just dish, right?
Yes, sir.
It is given that the parabolic reflector is 20 centimeters diameter. That means this distance is the face of the parabolic reflector is square. This is 20 centimeters and 5 centimeters deep. The distance of deep, its depth is 5 centimeters. So from this point to this is 5 centimeters. Don't think this is equal to A. It is 5 centimeters. Generally,
Yes, sir.
students may misunderstand that this can be A. This seems to be A. This distance seems to be A, but not A, right?
Yes, sir.
That means uh, if we write on a parabola, I need to order a new stylus pen. It is old, nearly 7 years, 6 years old. That's why it's something. Sometimes it stops writing. See, this is 5 centimeters, right? This is
Yes, sir.
20 centimeters. I'm telling this line needs not be a lattice rectum. We discussed previously. What is a lattice rectum? This is 5 centimeters. This is 20 centimeters, right?
Yes, sir.
But don't think there is no point to think that this is A. That means focus may not be this. Focus can be anywhere on this line or on this line. This can be focus or this can be focus or this can be focus. We don't know where is the focus. So the cut of this parabola to make parabolic reflector is maybe this or maybe this or maybe that. Okay, we don't know exactly whether this point is focus or not. This may be focus or this may not be focus, right?
Yes.
So for our understanding, it is very clear that this cannot be A. This needs not be A, not cannot be A. This needs not be A. This needs not be small A, right?
Yes, sir.
Let's use basic concept of graph. Let us take basic concept of graph. What is standard equation of parabola?
Y square equals 4x.
Y is equal to 4x is the standard equation of parabola, right? See, this is x-axis. This is y-axis. This is parabola. Maybe sensors in this place may be like, out of service. Sometimes they like.
Yes, sir. Maybe they are like worn out because you
You know this
use
kind
it.
of device. You know about this device? Maybe
Yes, sir.
there may be sensors while we're writing. They are not functioning properly. I need to order for new device right today. Right.
Yes, sir.
Now let us let this distance be 20 centimeters. Then it is 10 centimeters only, right?
Yes, sir.
This is 5 centimeters. You know, do we remember the concept of graph? 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. What are the coordinates of this point?
3,2. Sir.
Very good. So this distance is 5 units. This distance is 10 units. Now, what are the coordinates of this point?
5 comma
5, 10.
5
Yes,
comma 10, sir.
5, 10. Coordinates of this point are 5, 10. Right. Now,
Yes.
equation of what is standard equation of parabola?
Y square equals 4x.
Y square is equal to 4x. So y square is equal to 4x is the standard equation of parabola. Y square is equal to 4ax. Yeah. Plug in this point in this equation.
Y
100
10 100 equals 4 times 8 times 5.
8 times
5.
5, right? So a is equal to 100 by
100 by 20, sir.
20. 5 times. A is equal to 5.
Yes, sir. Option 1, sir.
The distance, then the distance from vertex to the focus. Yes, very good. It is vertex here, it is focus. Yes. The distance
Yes.
is 5.
5.
Option 1. 5. A is equal to 5. A is the distance. Okay, right. Yeah. Coincidence is A is equal to 5. Deep. The depth is equal to A. Got it?
Yes, sir.
The focus and vertex of a parabola are 4, 5 and 3, 6. Then the equation of axis. Just imagine whenever we see a problem in geometry, there must be a visualization in our mind about that question problem. See, it is parabola. It is axis. Focus is 4, 5. Vertex is 3, 6. What is asked? The equation of axis. This is asked, right?
Yes, sir.
Simple. You can find its slope. What is slope?
5 minus 6 by 4 minus
5 minus
3.
6 whole by
4 minus, that's in 1, sir.
negative 1 by 1. That is called negative 1.
Oh, yes.
Take any of these 2 points. Choose any of the points and use this formula.
Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1.
M times x minus x1. Yeah. Which point you choose?
Sir, the second one, 5, 4,
4, 5, right? This is x1, y1.
y minus 5
Y
equals
minus
negative, equals negative 1 times x minus 4
x plus y. Bring that minus x to left hand side. X plus y minus 9
equals
plus 4 will become minus.
yes, minus 9 equals 0.
Yeah, which option?
Yes, the option 4, sir.
Right. Surprisingly, we get same answer by taking this point also.
Yes, sir. Y minus 6.
Called negative 1 times x minus 3. Y minus 6 is equal to minus x plus 3. X plus y minus 9 is equal to 0. Or you can answer this question easily by substituting the points. That means plugging in the points. First,
Yes,
take the first point 4 comma 5. 4 comma 5 plug in the first option. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 5.
3, sir.
4 2s are 8. 8 minus 5 3. 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Not possible. Wrong. Next, 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 5 3 only, but not 0.
Yes, sir.
2 4s are 8. 8 plus 5 13. 13 minus 13 0. So it can be correct.
Yes, sir.
Fourth option 4 plus 5 9. 9 minus 9 0. It can be correct. Now we need to choose from third option, fourth option. One from choose a third option and fourth option, right?
So we can use the second option also. 3
Second point 3 comma 6. 2 3 are 6. 2 3 are 6 plus 6 12. 12 minus 13 not equal to 0. That's why option 3 wrong.
Yes, sir.
3 plus 6 9. 9 minus 9 0. That's why it is correct, right?
Yes, sir.
We can solve, think about, we can analyze it in multi-dimensional. The focus and directrix of a parabola are 3 comma minus 4 and x plus y equal x plus y plus 7 equal to 0. Then its length of lattice rectum. As you said previously, distance from focus to lattice rectum is 2a. Distance from focus to lattice rectum is 2a. What is
Yes,
asked? Length of lattice rectum is asked. The length of lattice rectum is nothing but 4a.
4a.
4a is obtained by doubling the 2a. 2 times of 2a. That 2a
Yes.
is obtained from C. This is parabola. Focus is 3 comma negative 4. This is directrix. Equation of this directrix is x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0.
Yes.
Now, by finding the perpendicular distance from S to L, we can find the value of 2a. The value of 2a can be obtained by finding the perpendicular distance. This is 2a. Do you know how to find perpendicular distance? Do you remember? Mod of
Ax1 plus
c by
by plus c by
root of
c
a square
a
plus.
square plus b square.
Right. Now, ax1 means plug in this point in this equation. 3 minus 4 plus 7. Right?
Yes, sir.
The square root of a square plus b square. A is nothing but x coefficient 1. B is y coefficient 1 square.
Yes, sir.
This is equal to 2a.
Yes, sir.
3 minus 4 negative 1. 3 minus 4 negative 1. Negative 1 plus 7. Negative 1 positive 7.
Negative then 6, sir.
6 by root 2.
Yes, sir.
This is 2a. Multiply numerator and denominator by root 2. What happens now? 2a is equal
6 root 2 by 2, sir.
Right, 2.
3 root 2, sir.
It goes 3 times, right?
Yes.
2a is equal to 3 root 2. But we want 4a. Since 2a is equal to 3 root 2, what is 4a? Double
6 root.
6
Yes, sir. 6 root.
2. 6 2. Satya, are you there? 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. 6 2. Option?
So 6 root 2. Oh, option 4.
The focus and directrix of parabola are 1 comma minus 1 and x plus y plus 3 equal 0. Its vertex. It's different question. For this question also we need to find its perpendicular distance, not perpendicular distance, foot of perpendicular. See,
Yes.
it is parabola. Maybe like this: 1 comma negative 1, x1 y negative 1. Focus is 1 comma negative 1, and a directrix. This is directrix. See, yes, 1 comma negative 1
Yes.
is directrix. Equation of directrix is x plus y plus 3 is equal to 0, right? What is asked?
Yes.
Vertex is asked, right?
Yes, sir.
This is asked. This is nothing but the midpoint of S and Z.
Yes, sir.
Is put a perpendicular. This is Z. Z is put a
Yes.
perpendicular and S is focus. Midpoint of Z and S is this one,
C and S. Yes, sir. Vertex.
which has a hard sound. This letter or this letter, which has soft sound.
G. Uh, I think it's Z and G. So G is.
This may let me read it. G Z. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now let's find Z is nothing but the foot of perpendicular. Foot of perpendicular from S to this line. Do you remember the formula for foot of perpendicular? We did many
Yes.
sums. H minus x1 by A. See, we are finding foot of perpendicular. Let the foot of perpendicular be h comma k.
Yes, sir.
Now we are using this formula. That formula is h minus x1 by A. It's very essential and complicated formula. Foot of perpendicular and image.
Yes. Yes.
We worked on image also.
Yes, sir.
H minus x1 by A is equal to k minus y1 by B. Minus of ax1 like perpendicular distance plus by1 plus c. For image, the formula has 2 here, minus 2 times of. But foot of perpendicular is only minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. For perpendicular distance, there is root, but here root is not there.
Yes.
Apply, this is x1 y1. This is ax plus by plus c. Now tell what is h. H is h only. H minus x1 means 1.
1.
A is nothing but x coefficient. Yeah. Such a చెప్పగలమా ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పగలవా? Such a what is your answer for this question? ఈ క్వశ్చన్ కి నువ్వు చేసి నాకు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పమ్మా. A means 1 is equal to k minus y1. Y1 means negative 1. K plus 1 by B means 1. B is here.
Yes.
Y coefficient is equal to minus of A x1. Just plug in this point in here. X into 1. Sorry, 1, 1. 1 minus 1 plus 3.
Minus 1 plus 3.
Notice that there is no mod for this numerator. Mod is not there for numerator. Right? By
Yes.
a square plus b square means 1 square plus
Yes, sir.
1 square plus 1 square. 1 1 cancel. Negative 3 by 2. Let us compare these two values. That means h minus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Negative 3 by 2.
Yes, sir.
H is equal to negative 3 by 2 positive 1. Can you tell its value? Negative 3 by 2 plus 1.
Negative 3 by 2.
Plus 1. That is negative 1 by 2.
Negative 1 by 2. Yes, negative 0.5.
Coordinates of z as negative 1 by 2. Now, take this value. K plus 1 is equal to minus 3 by 2. Then k is equal to negative 3 by 2, negative 1. What is negative 3 by 2?
Negative 2.5.
Negative 5 by 2, right?
Yes.
Is negative 5 by 2. Actually, what is asked here? A is asked, right?
Yes.
A is nothing but the midpoint of z and s. What is
Yes.
midpoint of z and s? Using midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Tell x1 plus x2 by 2 means a is equal to x
1.
plus x2 by 2. Negative 1 by 2 plus 1 whole by 2.
Yes, sir.
Y1 plus y2 by 2. Negative 5 by 2 minus 1 whole by 2. What is negative 1 by 2 plus 1?
0.5, so 1 by 2.
Yeah, negative 1 by 2. Negative 1 by 2 by 2. Negative 5 by 2, negative 1. Negative 7 by 2.
Yes, sir.
Negative
Negative
7 by
3.
2 whole by 2.
To
So,
get
1 by 4.
negative 1, negatives.
Negative 7 by 4.
Yes, sir. Oh, option 3, sir.
Right. I told you about the focal distance formula. There is a special formula for focal distance. Do you know? Do you remember? While in labeling, do you remember?
Yes.
Formula for focal distance is mod of x plus a. Focal distance formula is mod of x plus a.
Plus A. Yes, sir.
Mod of x plus a. This is given as 10 units.
Yes.
Focal distance is given as 10 units.
Yes.
Now let us find a. What is a here? Let us convert this given equation into general format. Y square is equal to 8x. 8x means 4 times 2 times x. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Compare this equation to y square is equal to 4ax. What is a here? Y square is equal to 4 into 2 into x. Y square is equal to 4ax. What is a here?
Oh, 2, sir.
A is 2 only. So use mod of x plus a means 2 is equal to 10. When we take
Yes.
mod, use plus or minus.
Yes.
X plus 2 is equal to plus 10 or x plus 2 is equal to minus 10.
Yes.
The property of modulus. When we take off mod, when we remove mod, there are two cases arises. First case positive, second case negative. If x plus 2 is
Yes.
equal to 10, then what is x?
Negative 8 and
Here it is positive 8.
yes. Oh, yes, sir. And negative 12.
Negative 12, right? If x is equal to positive 8, given formula is, given equation is y square equal to 8x. Right?
Yes. Yes, sir. Y square equals 16, y equals 4.
X equal to 8, y square equal to 64. Y equal to root 64.
Yes.
Plus or minus 8, right?
Yes, sir.
X8 to y plus or minus 8. The answer is 8 plus or minus 8.
Yes, sir.
4.
Oh, yes, sir.
You may ask, what about x equal to negative 12? What
Sir,
happened?
distance, no, sir.
It is invalid result. You know why?
Yes.
If x equal to negative 12, then y square is equal 8 times negative 12. What is 8 times negative 12?
16, 1, 96 and 9.
Square cannot be negative.
Yes, sir.
Any square must be positive. Square is always positive. But here it violates that rule. That's why x is equal to negative 12 is not accepted.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take this screenshot and try to answer this question.
Yes, sir. I'll try, sir.
No idea about this. Yeah, try. You can try it.
Yes, sir.
Just find focus. Just find vertex and plug in that vertex.
Sir, and also I don't think I can attend the class tomorrow.
Tell again. What? Tell again.
Sir, I cannot attend the class tomorrow,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Do you have any work? See.
We have some event in school, sir, and I have to be there.
Okay. Like that. What is that event last time? Devils related.
Halloween? No, sir. It's like international night, sir.
Yeah.
We should represent our country and we should make
Very good.
presentations.
Very good. Very good. Very good. If possible, send me the video clip. I don't upload it to YouTube. Right. That time it was very good. What is that name?
International night, sir. Now.
The previous one.
Halloween, sir.
Halloween.
Trunk or treat?
Yeah. See, I'm giving hint to solve this question. This is focus. Focus is 1,2. And this is directrix. What is asked? The equation of this line is asked.
Yes, sir.
Likewise, we can find this value by finding put a perpendicular. In the previous question, we just find this point, right?
Yes, sir.
We found this point coordinates. Now we need to find this equation also, and we know this. We will know this. We will get to know this point, right? After finding, what is slope of this line? Negative 2 by 3.
Negative 2 by 3.
It's perpendicular. Sorry. This also negative 2 by 3. These two lines are same.
Same, parallel, sir.
Yeah, parallel. So that means slope of this line is also negative 2 by 3. And yes. Point will be known. That will be x1, y1. Parallel lines have same slope. Here slope m is equal to minus 2 by 3. And coordinates of this point will be something. Use the formula y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1.
Yes.
By using this formula, you can find the equation of this line, right?
Yes.
Take screenshot and try this.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, Tanika. Good night.
Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.